Hello guys, and welcome back to the Four Seasons in Sweden. And into this vlog, I'm going to show you the place where we put up our new projects, the solar cells. I am very excited to show you guys this place. As you can see, some of our trees had been cut down. We had been hire some guys to do it for us because the trees it is very big and long, and one of the trees, our tree house, it was been built, and then I wanted to take it down because we don't need it. It's already destroyed and rotten. So I hope you follow me until the end. All of the parts of the tree house we had been stripped down or take out apart, and then we put it in a trailer. So we're going to throw it away in the big garbage place, and then the branches we have been collected and burn it down, so it will be cleaner and easy to build our the solar cells, or they call it in Sweden the solar cellar. And we're using this machine, they call it bulldozer. I don't know what is the name of this, but this machine is helping us to make the ground flat. So it is easy for us also to cut it down, or cut down the grass later when the grass is growing. And I'm very excited, guys, to finish this project this year. We are gathering or cleaning this place, so it's easy for us to start our solar cells. And I'm really excited, and also for me, the solar cells is it very good to have and to use because we can save free energy from the sun, and this process is very friendly in our mother nature. So we can avoid too much carbon dioxide if we use these solar cells instead of the other kinds of making electrical process. So guys, I hope some of you is very interested and really want to have these solar cells. So please follow me until the end. And now, guys, I keep still gathering, and most of it I had been cut down the grass on the corner, so we are perfectly clean around this place that we're going to put up our new project. So let's continue. cutting for about 4 hours. I'm just in the corner, so this is the result. It's cleaner and it's really wonderful. I can show you the part 2 later when we begin to build or set up our new projects, the solar cells. We had been bought the blocks, so we can use it to begin with our project, the solar cells. And right now, me and my husband is keep gathering and is keep cutting all the higher trees that possible can stop the light of the sun. So we have to make it or take it down some of the higher trees so we can have more or much exposure of the light to the sun or from the sun. So guys, we keep going. We need to work harder. So stay tuned in. That is the place we're going to put it up, our solar